Good evening, Professor. So, this is my personal timetable of this week. So, last week I tried to prepare the sample testing and results for the 80 samples. For the PSA and urine project, I had a meeting with Dr. Sachin and checked with some other antibodies for the feasible for our research work, sir. For the SARS-CoV 2019 experiment, I had a meeting with Dr. Sachin and continuing my paper writing and preparing the schematic figure presentation. For this week, I'll be working on data analysis and continuing my paper writing, preparing the schematic figure with the help of Chaya and trying to do the stability test, and we'll have a meeting for the arrangement of the figure and content for my paper. For the PSA, I will have meeting with Dr. Sachin for the another antibodies suitable for our experiment process. For the TA work, sir, I prepared the PPT presentation with the help of Chaya and submitted to the KRA system. This is my paper writing plans, which have been for the corona detection using graphene EDC NHS. Another one AD detection using graphene EDC NHS composites. Another one is also for the PSA with Dr. Sachin, and this is another with the tau protein with AD plasma sample. For the SARS-CoV 2019 graphene IDC research, this is my paper biosensing technology and all the content for our paper which we are going to follow and preparing, as professor asked me to check the another title for the paper. So I modified my title with the ultra fast and sensitive IDC sensor for the SARS-CoV detection towards point of care 2019 diagnosis process. For the paper surface characterization and IDC bioelectric electrodes, I will ask to my juniors for the characterization for the SAM, AFM and FTIR for the next process. So this is our detailed schedule for scenario how we are doing this experiment. This is our graphene sheet and immunizing EDC NHS with immunizing spike antibody, and finally their SARS-CoV recombinant protein. So this is our all the process for immunizing antibody EDC NHS chemistry on graphene oxide. So this is our all the research recipe what we are following from chip to the final testing using impedance analyzer. This is our experimental process chart already described to our professor, so I want to skip this one. This is all continued experiment. This is our D5 chip. As professor asked me to follow only D5 chip, so this is our D5 chip. Here we can see in this picture, this is our D5 chip with having thin film of graphene oxide. Here we can see this is a thin film of graphene oxide. This is an enlarged view. So this is our results. D5 chip sensitivity. As we have taken different concentration for our experiment, In this experiment, we have taken different concentration from lower to higher. As we go from lower to higher concentration, our capacitance is increasing. This is a bare chip and chip with graphene oxide in red, and this is our EDCNHS plus antibody. As I'll apply the mathematical approach equation y is equal to Mx plus C for this the final sensitivity testing results using D5 chip. As we have did the D5 chip results selectivity testing, so we have taken plasma, PSA antigen, AD plasma, and recombinant protein, corona recombinant protein. We have taken the TAN chip in our experiment. I got the similar results with better stability using the TAN chip. This is a bare chip with graphene oxide and chip with EDCNHS plus antibody results. This is our chip results for the selectivity testing. Graphene oxide coding are already described to our professor, so I'm skipping this one now. EDCNHS coding, here we can see the cluster form of EDCNHS. Antibody emulation here, and this is also antibody. This is some paper for the reference I'm checking. I will modify the results with the help of Jaya with different chip design and the final results design. This is our final process. This is our bare chip and graphene oxide sheet emulation, EDCNHS treatment, and spike antibody, and finally the recombinant protein emulation with the antibody. Stepwise process. This is our analyte, how a biosensor work here. We described in this picture analyte, transducer, impedance analyzer, and the data processing. There are some reference picture for the 3D animation for our paper reference. Another paper for the reference. Concentrations already described. For the Alzheimer's disease AD experiment, this is our paper plan and all the schematic plans and title IDC enabled ultra fast and real-time detection for oligomeric amyloid beta in plasma of Alzheimer's disease patient. For this experiment we have done all the characterization, so it's finished. So sample arranged by Dongmin. I asked Dongmin to arrange all the sample. Here are the sample with AD with depression, only AD. There are some low samples, only MCI mild cognitive impairment, and MCI with depression, normal people, and only depression. So Dongmin arranged well. Professor gave me some new chip, electrochemical chip. For this chip, professor asked me to mobilize graphene oxide. So I will cover this all the area for the immobilization and will do the graphene oxide coding. Professor asked for me to prepare the file. Professor sent an email. We got some new version 2021, sir. So I will try to install in our computer and learning about the ADS. For this one we also trying to learn from some YouTube tutorial according to our lecture requirement. For the TA work, sir, we have submitted our first lecture, and for the face-to-face class we made announcement for time schedule for next classes. We will divide our classes into 3 groups with different time schedule. This is my personal timetable, sir. That's all, sir. Thank you, Professor.